Okay, so we're working on this front bolt, right? And what do we got here, AJ?
We're gonna use a 1/2-inch drive ratchet and an 18mm socket.
Okay.
And you just get it on the body mount and then slowly loosen the bolt.
This is a brand new Jeep. It's about 2 days old. This is the first time I'm doing it. You encountering any resistance, like hard resistance?
No.
If you do, what should we do?
If we do, we're gonna reverse the ratchet and put the bolt back in, clear the threads of the thread locker, and then back it back out again. Sometimes you may have to repeat that process a few times, but this one, piece of cake. We're just going slow.
And then if we get the bolt all the way out, but it just spins, it won't pop out.
You need to apply pressure downward while you're spinning it, and it'll come out.
All right, there's a little retainer clip that holds that in. This one looks like no problem. Just a long bolt.
Very long bolt.
Spinning.
I think it's still got some threads in it. There we go.
All right.
This isolator is on the bottom side of the frame at the body mount. If this comes out with your bolt, you just want to pop it back into place. This right here will pop into the hole on the body mount and lock itself into place. Like so.
All right, so now we're just removing the rear. This is a 2-door, so there's only 2 body mount bolts. For a 4-door, there's gonna be 3 on each side. Same process for each bolt, just unbolt it. Come up to resistance, bolt it back in, then slowly untorque it again. All right, so we got a brand new JL, never been touched, and we're putting on some rock sliders. So the key is,
It's nice and slow. If you feel it bind up at all, turn the ratchet the other way. This one's been nice and easy. It's coming all the way out, so we can continue to loosen it out. But like I said, if it feels like it binds at all, don't put enough pressure on it. Just turn the ratchet the other direction, tighten it half a turn, and then back it out. It'll clear all the factory Loctite that's on the bolt. So this one's not a problem. This one will come the rest of the way out.
maybe the next one.
It's crucial that those first 3 to 4 turns of the bolt that you're unloosening.
All right, so we got a brand new JL. We just undid the bolts on the other side. They didn't offer any real strong resistance, so this one's never been taken out, and we'll see how it goes. Key is just take these first turns especially really slow. If that Loctite catches, then you're gonna reverse course and tighten again, and then do this, repeat the steps. Bring it back out. Not too bad, AJ?
Not too bad.
Man, we can't get one that catches. All right, we'll keep searching for a real tricky one.